YouTube, please go pretty eyes, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment and share this with your friends. So guys, today we're gonna prank my mom. She's in the living room currently and she's on her phone and all of that. So before coming to shoot this, I was like shooting some TikToks and all of that. So I'm gonna act like I'm continuing and all, because I was ironing my uniform. So I'm gonna act like I'm continuing and all of that, so that it's not suspicious to set up the camera and all of that. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be coughing blood, and guys, don't worry, I'm just gonna use food coloring. Yeah. And I was not gonna do this prank, you know. I was really not gonna do it. I was like, you know what, let me just give it a go, give it a try. So yeah guys, trust me away. So soon. Ish.
Who are you laughing at? What? Who are you laughing at?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bona go ira le
Makasih bini kamu. Ya.
make me get something. Fahmo.
Masih bini ka. Ke lari ke. Sus kira lu papa rekile. Ay reke mantag. Hey mga wena. Wena ha you to act along. Kami wena sa act along me. Okay.
Pimola.
Yan ki daily le gaan vast. Ah. Prank gone wrong. Bonang ginzang keng batong.
For act fela real prank.
No, this is not fake life, mamas.
Hey, so Lina I fake sepa. That's why Lina get some fake reaction is you.
Boring. Anyways, guys, we got to the end of it. Doing workouts, I tried. But please like and share, subscribe, whatever, do all that good stuff. And maybe one day we'll actually get her. Hey, look at my hands. Is this even healthy for me? But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I tried. This is gonna look like a clickbait video. But anyways, peace.